name is Paul.
Everyone, I'm Constance.
But it's easy and convenient. Step 1. The packaging your small
Hi, my name is Nicholas. I've been part of the Chamberlain's family since 2022 in the Bulk and Directs department. Today I will be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to use a pressure washer to clean your wall. The first thing we're going to do is look at the equipment you'll need, which is a reliable pressure washer, a liquid detergent, a hose to connect your water supply to the pressure washer, and an electrical supply to connect to the pressure washer as well. Please make sure that your safety is paramount in this situation. You need to make sure you wear the proper safety equipment and clothing that you don't mind getting a little bit wet in. Our first step is going to be to rinse the wall with the pressure washer. Before you start, make sure your workspace is clear and any electrical components are covered to make sure they're not affected by the high pressure water. Then before we start, we would just have to connect our garden hose to the pressure washer as our water supply. Now that our water supply is connected, we're going to turn on our pressure washer. And then we can get started by holding your nozzle about 30 centimeters away from the wall. You're going to do some slow sweeping motions up and down with our specific purposes. A nice thing with our pressure washer is that you can adjust it to go harder or softer depending on your uses. For our uses, we're going to be using this as hard as possible and we're going to say about 30 centimeters away. Let's get started. And then one last thing, when you're pressure washing, just make sure you don't go too close to the wall if you don't want to chip off any of the paint. For the next step, we want to add our liquid detergent to the wall. Make sure that you're using the right detergent for your purposes, and then we're just going to slot that into our pressure washer. Now that we have our detergent in our pressure washer, we're going to apply it onto the wall. When you apply the detergent onto the wall, you want to go from bottom to top so that we don't get any streaks. And then you want to rinse it off the same way and quite quickly afterwards so that none of the cleaner dries on the wall. So I'm applying the cleaner with a low pressure. When we rinse it off, we'll be rinsing it off with high pressure again. Alright, so then we're going to have to remove our cleaner to rinse it off. Just going to pull it out there. And then we'll be using high pressure again just to rinse off our cleaner. And there you have it, a nice clean wall. Thank you for watching. If you would like any more information on power washers or cleaning walls, please make sure to visit one of our 9 Chamberlain's branches where a friendly expert will be willing to help. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.